How to change color of anything in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Then go to the Adjust tab. Scroll down and find the saturation slider. Set the saturation to 0. This prepares the video by making it grayscale, ready for the color change. Now create a new color layer. Click on the Text tab and add a new text layer in the timeline. In the text box on the right, type a minus sign and choose a bold font for maximum coverage. Resize the text by dragging the corners of the text box in the viewer window. Enlarge the font size until the entire screen is covered in the white color of the text. Now choose the color you want for your object, in this case blue, and apply it to the text. To convert this blue text layer into a static color background, click on the layer here. Select Export Still Frames. Name the file. Choose a save location and export it. Once exported, delete the blue text layer from the timeline. Now go to the Media tab. You will find the blue text layer. Add this to the timeline and stretch it over the entire video section where you want the color change, and go to the blend mode option. Set the blend mode to overlay. Add the original video without any changes below the modified layer. Go to remove background tab, check chroma key and use the color picker to select the red color on the car. Adjust the intensity to remove any remaining red spots after applying chroma key. Now the car looks much better, but notice how the surrounding areas like the side area and the tire have turned blue too. To fix this and restore the original colors to those areas, add another original video without changes. Go to Mask tab and choose Brush Mask. Now brush over the entire car area. This will select the car area. If the brush selects unnecessary background areas, select the Quick Eraser and brush out those unnecessary sections. Now click on the reverse button inside the mask tool. This inverts the selection, selecting the entire background without the car. This will remove the blue from the side area and restores its original color. Some red area is still visible. Brush those areas to fix it. To fine-tune the blue shade, select the blue background layer on the timeline. Go to the adjustment, then HSL and select blue. Then adjust the tint to your liking. So that's how you can change color of anything in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.